Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech. Everyone, I'm just using for this video my Boya microphone. It is suitable for YouTubing, and if you wanna buy this microphone, this microphone name is Boya M1, and I'll give the link, buy link from Amazon. So click the link and buy this microphone for your best YouTubing recording video. Best microphone in cheap price. Thank you very much. Go to the link under this video and buy this microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech Master Ready. Today I'm gonna show how to verify your Facebook profile by officially. It's video related to the Facebook profile verification, not for page verifications. So let's get started the video. So first of all, open your browser, whatever you have used. Okay, so like search here Facebook verification profile officially. Okay, officially for blue badges. Okay, here it is. Do I request a verified? Okay, so guys, loading. Here is the option, like the verified badges appears next to Facebook page or account's name in search and on the profile. It means Facebook has confirmed that an account is the authentic presence of the public figure, celebrity or global brand it represents. Okay, what are the requirements to apply for a verified page? Here is the some authentic. Your account must be represent a real person. Okay, registered business or entity, no need. Okay, so unique. Your account must be the unique presence of the person or business it represents. Only one account per person or business may be verified. Okay, with expectations for language specific accounts. We don't verify general interest accounts. Okay, so complete. Your account must be active and have an about section. Okay, profile photo and at least one post. Notable, your account must be represented well-known, often search person, brand or entity. We review accounts that are featured in multiple news resources, and we don't consider paid or promotional content as resource for review. Okay, so how do I request? This is the option, verified page or badge. Okay, so yeah, so here is the form. Request a blue verifications badge. A verified page or profile has a blue check mark next to its name. Keep in mind that verified page are then a verified page or profile has a blue check mark next to its name. Keep in mind that verified badges are for well-known. Okay, keep this line. Keep in mind that verified pages are for well-known. Okay, like public figures, celebrities, maybe. Often searched pages and profiles. Mostly searched pages, mostly traffic. Okay, which gain mostly traffic from online or browse. Unique. Okay, unique views, unique search. Let's call it. Not all public figures. Not for all public figures. Okay, for like well-known public figures. You have a lots of subscriber and you are not a public figure, you can get a verified mark or verified Facebook profile page. But celebrities and global brands on Facebook have one. Celebrities and global brands, okay, they will get it. Okay. Verification type, okay, here you have to choose this. Okay, then select page to verify. If you would like to verify, no, you have to choose this profile. Okay, so first one page, the second one profile. Provide your Facebook profile link. Like you have to give your Facebook profile link here. Okay, then I'll show you. Yeah guys, now okay, then if you would like to verify your profile, please provide its URL. No, you can only submit your profile. Okay, select your country. Okay, let me choose. Okay, here, and let's copy this link and give it here, and select a category for the page or profile: sports, government and politician, music, fashion, entertainment, gamer, global, business, brand, organization. No. If you are a celebrity, then you have to select this. If you are a musician, this. If you are a politician, government politician, then select this. Sportsman, like whatever, cricketers, footballers, Messi, Ronaldo, like Mustafi, Virat Kohli, whatever. Fashions, if you are a fashion designer, popular, then choose this. Digital creator, blogger, influencer. If you are a digital creator, blogger, influencer, if you are a YouTuber, famous YouTuber, influencer, or like digital creator, then select this. I'll select this. Gamer, if you are a famous gamer, then select this. Global business, brand, organization, you are a brand ambassador, you are CEO of any kind of brand, then select this. Okay, then I'm gonna select this. Okay, which country? Yes. Okay, now please attach a photo of your ID. You have to submit your NID card here. Okay, we require at least one of the following official documents in order to review your request. Okay, so if your account represent a person, okay, then government issued photo ID that shows your name and date of birth, driver's license or passport. Okay, then you have to submit your government voter ID card here, or your voter your driving license or your passport, both of sides. Okay, scan your documents and then submit here, both of side, front side and back side. Okay, then whether like I choose my photo, just for example, you will have to submit your own voter ID card here. Okay, already I have submitted for my account and it will under processing. Then now just take this. Okay, then share yours. Okay, please refresh. Okay, then write here, please share why this Facebook page or profile should be verified. Then write like I need verified. 2010, I think, for my personal need badly. Thanks. Just after the completing this section, then submit, send here. Okay, click send here. Thank you very much for watching. This is the process how to verify your Facebook profile. Okay, so lots of viewers commented me on that make a video on these topics. So thank you very much for watching.